The hangar sliding door manufacturing procedures refer to main operation areas by the DOORHAN group of companies. These are inclusive of the hangar door design, fabrication, assembly and maintenance procedures realized in collaboration with the Design and Structural Engineering Institute OJSC Gipre Aviaprom. The hangar sliding doors can be installed anywhere with a gateway aperture of major width and height being required. The door structures can be of different types: facade sliding support framework, sidewall sliding support framework, folding structure, and so on. The doors can be practically of any size. Once agreed with the customer, OJSC Gipre Aviaprom will proceed with the structural design to be developed when finding solutions for a large set of technical problems specified within the preliminary specifications provided by the customer. Main targets: higher aesthetic quality to be ensured for the door, resulting the principal element of a hangar facade; higher heat insulating properties of the doors to be ensured, with the door leaf heat transfer ratio not being much lower than the same ratio of the building enclosing structures. Hangar sliding door operators system reliable move and stop procedures for the traveling parts in line with the positions designed. Emergency opening procedures to be provided, that is, electric drive brake unblocking procedures and a towing lug. Interspaces between the door movable parts and the hangar structure stationary parts to be securely sealed following the aperture perimeter. The sealing materials to be easily replaceable if required during the service life. To properly design a hangar sliding door, the wind loads sustained by the door parts should be taken into consideration. Also, the crane and snow weight loads should be taken into account, those sustained by the roof structure bearing beams. All the essential hangar sliding door structural components are manufactured at the production facilities within the DOORHAN group of companies. Sandwich panels for external and internal coating, bearing wheels and top rollers manufactured at the DOORHAN Door Systems production facility. Aluminium facade profile systems developed and manufactured at the DOORHAN Aluminium Systems plant. Safety system and hangar sliding doors control units developed and manufactured by the DOORHAN Automation Systems company. All this allows to offer our clients an integrated finished product first-hand. Our company manufactures, installs and services gates for aviation hangars. Due to our production abilities and expertise, the following projects were fulfilled in 2007 and 2008 in cooperation with Gipre Aviaprom Design Institute. Mounting sliding gate 96 by 14 meters Almaty International Airport, mounting sliding gate 168 by 14 meters Sheremetyevo 1 International Airport, mounting sliding gate 96 by 11 meters Kazan International Airport, and special mounting sliding gates for the Russian Federation Space Forces. The target pursued by both the designer and the manufacturer within their unified community is to fully satisfy the client's needs and requirements. To find the best solutions, our participation is needed to be viable at the earliest stages of the facility design procedures. A swift and efficient chain of designing, manufacturing and assembling procedures will allow us to save our clients time and resources. To determine costs as well as the door power elements to hangar main structure connection points, you should send us an official request containing the following provisions: hangar sliding door design technical requirements, general hangar details, drawings referring to the door system installation area. Once these documents have been studied, we will be able to present an optimum hangar sliding door design option as a whole and in main details, as well as a general commercial offer for the whole range of services above. The DOORHAN group of companies has its offices in 19 regions of Russia, the CIS, and abroad. It allows to proceed, if required, with quick and efficient maintenance services to be provided for the hangar sliding doors installed.